Meiosis. Meiosis is a type of a cell division in which the chromosome number reduces to half. That is, from 2n2 it becomes n. That is half number of chromosome. Meiosis occurs only in a germ cells. Meiosis occurs only in a germ cells. So meiosis helps to bring a variation in living things so that different variety of animals and plants can be produced so that they can survive on earth. So this meiosis is completed in two phases, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1, here the living cell, that is a germ cell, which is present at the inner linings of the reproductive organ like a testes and ovaries, which produce the gametes like sperm and egg. Testes produce sperm and ovary produce egg. So inside this germ cell, chromosomes which are like a thread, they start condensing. So in this way they appear with their sister chromatids and then they get condensed. And form pair of homologous chromosomes. In this way they form pair of homologous chromosome, so that these changes occur in a first stage. These changes occur in a first stage of the meiosis 1, that is a prophase. This prophase is very longer in a meiosis 1. So here the exchange of the genetic material takes place. Exchange of a genetic material takes place from one sister chromatid to other sister chromatid. So they get crossover with one another. In this way, these sister chromatids come closer and slowly they cross with one another and they exchange their genetic material. So in this way, they exchange their genetic material. In this way, new combination of the genetic material forms. So this prophase is the longest phase in a meiosis. The second phase is metaphase. That is called a metaphase 1 in meiosis 1. In metaphase, all these sister chromatids get arranged on equatorial plane. They get arranged in a equatorial plane. And the centrosomes also appear on the opposite poles and get attached with these spindle fibers for the both homologous pair of chromosomes. In this way, the metaphase 1 occur where spindle fiber get attached with the sister chromatids. Now in anaphase, metaphase is continued by the anaphase. Now in telophase, these sister chromatids are getting pulled at one end of the cell, and constriction also develops between the cell. So this leads to division of the sister chromatid at the both ends. Slowly they disappear. So slowly this constriction disappear and two haploid cells are formed in a meiosis 1. Now in meiosis 2, these two haploid cells again undergo like a mitotic division and produce 4 haploid cells. So meiosis 1, 2 haploid cells are formed. In meiosis 1, 2 haploid cells are formed, and in meiosis 2 again the cell goes through the same process, anaphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, and it produces 4 haploid cells. It produces 4 haploid cells.